Is Cash App telling you to please try again later, leaving you stuck and unable to send or receive money? Don't worry, because in this video, I will show you some easy fixes that you can try. First, let's tackle the most common culprit: your internet connection. Cash App needs a stable connection, so check that you're connected to Wi-Fi or have a strong cellular signal. Run a quick speed test to make sure your connection is actually working. If your speeds are low, try switching to a different network or restarting your router. Next, ensure your Cash App is up to date. Head to the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Search for Cash App and see if there's an update button. Outdated apps can sometimes cause glitches. A quick update might be all you need to do to get back to normal. If updating didn't help, try clearing Cash App's cache on Android. Go to Settings, then Apps, find Cash App, and tap Storage, then clear cache on iOS. You'll need to offload the app or do a full reinstall since there is no way to clear system-level cache on iOS. Finally, if everything else fails, it's time to contact Cash App support. Tap your profile icon, scroll down to Support, and then choose something else to find the best contact method like chat or email.